think I got him on camera though, but that's alright. I thought it did. Can you see him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh-wee. Okay, I got one. He's right up here on the hill there. Let's go check him out, Rich. Okie doke. Yeah, pretty good long beard. Well, I'm dressed in my prime one, ready to go. I am the president. And here's my birds right here to prove it.
Y'all were just sitting there, and Richard just looked out there and saw him, I guess.
Yeah,
he
he
didn't
was
realize
out
that's
there.
coming.
He just was out. He looked out there and saw him. He said, "There they are."
Well, they'd been gobbling all morning. I heard a gobbler somewhere in these woods right here all morning. That might have been the one that crossed the field y'all saw earlier.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Yeah, we saw one.
But he gobbled and gobbled and gobbled and gobbled. And Jack called me. We were trying to figure out where he was. Never come out on our side, and that might have been the bird that went down there.
Yeah.
But I heard gobbles up here on the hill, and I told Jack. I said, they're gobbling up here by Dad, a bunch of them.
Yeah.
And so I guess they were
Yeah,
probably...
we heard them early, and then they kind of shut up for, well, about an hour.
Yeah.
And then a couple more gobbles, and but these no gobbling from these at all.
Yeah.
They just come in on us.
That's what they've been doing the last few days. Every turkey I've heard of coming in.
I had that little Jake decoy sitting out there.
Yeah.
And I mean, we didn't call them nothing. They just.
Did they come to that decoy?
They were looking at that
Didn't
decoy, I believe. Yeah.
Well, Jake's pestering them gobblers.
Yeah.
That's a big mature bird, and that's a nice turkey. Y'all did good. Got it done on your birthday again,
Yeah.
April 11th. And he got his first turkey out of this same blind on his birthday on obviously April 11th, about 7 or 8 years ago. So tends to be the lucky spot and the lucky day.
Right. I felt pretty good about this morning. It was cool. It was cold kind of.
Yeah.
You know, and I felt like it did.
We had to get our deer hunting gear back out this morning. Left the turkey hunting stuff at the house and got the deer hunting stuff back out.
Sure did.
But it paid off. And I'm gonna go back, go get him cleaned up, and then go this afternoon and see if I can't get on one somewhere.
Yep. Well, happy birthday to me.